Now in the previous video I said I would make the bow, well, the hook for the Christmas ornament on a separate video, so here you go. So I just made a slip knot and I'm going to choose exactly where I'm going to insert my needle. So this again is at your discretion. So wherever you feel you want to put it, that's completely your choice. And again, I say this, it's up to you where you want to do it, how long you want this hook to be. So anything between 20 to 30 chain stitches, depending again on how long you want it. So that's what you can see I'm doing quickly. I'm just quickly making the chain and I'm measuring. I'm satisfied. Yes, I am. And I'm going to go back into the exact same stitch and just make a slip stitch. Snubbity snip. Now I like to make a knot with both stitches, and I'm so sorry if you can hear any background noise. I'm trying to do this video and the kids are home, so it's kind of hectic. And I'm just gonna work in the tail ends just so that we don't see it, because the hook is red and very bright, the color. So, and the actual wreath is white and pale green. So I just thought I would work it in a bit. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me guys know what y'all think, what I should do next. And here we go again. And the second tail piece. And you know, in this video I forgot to turn on the actual light, hence you can see the shadow, and the camera recording has a shadow, so I do apologize. Why am I battling? And you know, I keep on forgetting to cut long tails. Well, this will teach me. But I keep on saying, please cut a long enough tail. Can I practice what I actually say? Right, we're good to go. Snubbity snip. And there you go. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video.